This video will guide you through installation of your quick disconnect system and saddlebags from VikingBags. Your quick disconnect system comes with 4 docking posts, 2 brackets, nuts and bolts, instruction manual, and locking keys. For installation, you will need an electric drill with 3/8" drill bit, an adjustable wrench or wrench set, a marker, and Phillips head screwdriver. You'll be using the provided docking posts to install the mounting system on the bike. To do so, first remove the 2 fender bolts from your bike. Now get 2 of the provided longer bolts and pass one of them through a docking post and bolt it onto the bike. Do the same with the other bolt. With docking posts firmly bolted on, align the sliders on the mounting bracket with the docking posts and push the bracket in so it firmly sits on the docking posts. Note that the angled side goes towards the front of the bike. Once the mount is in position, tighten the screw on the underside of the bracket to lock the sliders in place. Now place the bag next to the mount and visually inspect to make sure the bag is in the desired position, ensuring the bag is at least 1.5 inches from the exhaust. It's better to have an extra pair of hands for this. Once the bag is in position, use chalk or marker to mark the corners of the bracket onto the back side of the bag. Place the bag on your workbench with cloth or mat underneath to prevent damage. Align the mount to the markings. Mark the 5 holes onto the bag. 2 holes are located in the sliding brackets. The other 3 are on the bottom of the mounting plate. Remove the bracket from the bag and drill the 5 marked points. Take 5 of the small bolts included in your kit and push them through the bracket, the holes in the back of the bag, and then a washer, and tighten using the provided nuts. Make sure all bolts are tight and the bracket is firmly attached to the bike. Now you will mark the points on the second bag using the first one. Place the drilled bag on top and make sure the 2 bags are aligned. Visually inspect them afterwards to see all the points align. Drill these 5 points as well. Place the bag against the docking posts and allow the brackets to slide down firmly in place. You may adjust the slider in case the slider grooves do not align with the docking posts. Lock the slider bracket to the docking post by turning the key. Congratulations! Your saddlebags are now mounted and you are ready to ride.